Hello viewer, how we can generate the designs like that. So I am going to teach you in this tutorial. Please wait for it. So first of all we will remove everything. Then I will pick up the pen tool design so that we can get a random picture here. I will use the designs are on that. Switch it, make it fixed. Then generate a clipping mask. So we will take it, we can add a color and edit the image into that position. We can add that color in the background.